Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima and you're trying to find guys the relay for the radiator cooling fan. Stay with us, we'll explain where that relay is located. You actually may have two. One of them controls the high speed, one of them controls the low speed. Also, we'll cover guys how to test the relay. So make sure you stand till the end and we'll explain that as well. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. And we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So specifically 2013 model Kia Optima 2.4 GDI engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure may be the same. This is the fuse box that you have right here. So what you have to do, one notch here, one there, squish, pull straight up, everything comes out. You can see just like that. On the back side the fuse numbers are printed, but what we did, we took a picture, tried to zoom it, and that layout right here guys corresponds to what we have specifically here. So the radiator fan is known as a cooling fan and the abbreviation is C/fan. This is for high speed, this is for low speed. If your fan doesn't work guys, or car is overheating, check both of them. Sometimes low speed could be working and you think your fan is working, but if the car is overheating, check the high speed as well, because if it doesn't have high speed, okay, the fan may not cool fast enough guys. And the relays that I'm talking about is this relay here and the one over there. How you guys remove those? Grab them with 2 fingers or pliers, okay, and pull them out. You can see this is the high speed fan. So if you want to see where to purchase one from guys, we're going to put the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get that relay from. Also, if you need to test it, we have a special video that will teach you how to test a relay on a Hyundai and Kia as well, because it's the same thing, and we'll put the link to that video in the description of the video below, so please check it out. And the other relay, okay, it's the one, okay, right here, they're identical, you can see. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having problem with that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.